What if I told you that the next time you step into an airport, the rules that seem ordinary today might quietly be rewritten tomorrow, and that these hidden changes could completely alter how you travel without you even realizing it? Behind the glossy terminals and smiling airline staff, there are evolving layers of security protocols, biometric systems, silent health tracking measures, and even behavioral analysis technologies being tested that few passengers ever hear about. Rules that go far beyond removing your shoes at security or limiting liquids in your bag. For example, some airports are already experimenting with predictive traveler profiling, where artificial intelligence doesn't just check your passport, but studies your walking speed, eye movement, and stress levels to decide whether you're flagged for additional screening. Others are quietly introducing silent compliance zones, areas where you are unknowingly monitored for micro-reactions, like how quickly you respond to a boarding announcement or whether you hesitate when showing your ticket. Data that could affect how smoothly you pass through security, or even whether you're chosen for random questioning. On top of that, there are whispers of a new category of international travel documents that combine your passport, vaccination history, and even digital payment capability into a single biometric ID, meaning the way you board flights, buy duty-free items, or even request upgrades could be completely transformed in just a few years. Imagine discovering that your gate assignment, your eligibility for lounge access, or even your seat upgrade isn't just about your frequent flyer miles anymore, but about how trustworthy an unseen algorithm ranks your travel behavior. These are the shocking rules forming behind closed doors. Rules that no airline wants to advertise because once passengers realize how deeply they are being analyzed, tracked, and sorted, flying will never feel the same again. And here's the truth that few are willing to say out loud. The future of air travel isn't about speed or comfort. It's about control. And the more you know about these hidden shifts, the more power you have to adapt before these changes quietly lock into place and redefine the very act of flying forever.